Hello guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and if you're new, special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group on your Notion workspace. So all you have to do is click the workspace on the upper left hand side, go to settings, and on the left hand side click on people, and you will see that it's on the workspace as well. Now you want to go to the groups tab, and if you don't have any group, you can simply create a group. You can see in the upper right, click and create a group, and you can give that one a name. So I'm going to call this Notion friends, for example, and as you can see, it is there. You can even add members as well. Once you give it a name, you can click the three dots. You can even rename. You can create team space from a group as well. You can delete it, but that's how you go ahead and create it. You can easily go ahead and basically create the group. Now once you have the group created, you can easily go ahead and add the members by clicking the drop down here. You'll find add members. Click on that and you can add members to a group. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.